Hello food ninjas, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making one of Nigerians' favorites, Banga Stew, or should I say Banga Soup. So it really depends on what you eat it with. So in a clean pot, you want to go in with some washed beef stripes, smoked turkey, stockfish head, I want to go in with some dry fish, go in with some pre-cooked goat meat, and pre-cooked stockfish cod. So I pre-cooked the goat meat, stockfish cod, and cow feet earlier because they take longer to cook. So next, add some chopped onions, add some ground crayfish, seasoning cubes, goat meat stock. Now this contains pepper, that's why I'm not using extra pepper. Cover and transfer to the stove to simmer gently. Grind some whole prawns together with some calabash nutmeg and set this aside. This combination adds a deep aromatic flavor that takes your banga to the next level. Now we're going to prepare the palm nut concentrate. Empty the palm nuts paste into a clean bowl. Add some hot water and stir gently. Set this aside. This allows the impurities to settle at the bottom of the bowl before we use it. So now you're going to add the ground prawn and calabash nutmeg mixture to the pot and give it a gentle stir. So if you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another delicious recipe from the Food Ninja. So now we're going to go in with the palm nut concentrate mix. Make sure not to include the impurities at the bottom of the bowl. So there you go. At this point, add your pre-cooked cow skin mentioned earlier. So those are already cooked. I pre-cooked the cow skin with the goat meat and the stockfish cod because they take very long to cook. So go ahead and add it to the pot. Add some chopped onions if you want. This is optional, you don't have to, but this adds that extra flavor. Cover and let it boil so all the ingredients can come together nicely. So if you're enjoying this video at this point, drop a comment below and tell me, do you prefer your banga soup with starch or with rice or with pounded yam? So this is the most important step, the vegetables. So for banga soup, add uziza leaves or bitter leaves. For banga stew, add scent leaves instead. So this really depends. So it's the same process for banga soup and banga stew. Now it really depends on what you're pairing it with. If you added uziza leaves or bitter leaves and you're pairing it with fufu or pounded yam, it is called banga soup. If you added scent leaf and you're pairing it with white rice, then it is banga stew. And since we're having this with white rice today, this one right here is banga stew. So add 2 habanero peppers. This is optional, if you can handle the heat. Taste and adjust your seasoning if needed, then cover again for just 1 minute and that's it. Your delicious, rich and authentic Banga stew is ready to serve. There you go, guys. This is so delicious. The aroma in my kitchen is something else. You know, super delicious. Authentic, very simple recipe, quick to make. There you go, guys. Serve this with hot pounded yam, hot fufu, or hot white rice. If you love this recipe, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food lovers. Thank you for watching the Food Ninjas. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Look at that goat meat. That's the cow feet. Delicious. That's the smoked turkey. Super soft and moist. Look at that stew. Really delicious. Now let's dig in, guys. What can I say? This is enjoyment at its peak. Oh la la, that is something else. Yep, that's the beef stripe. There you go, guys. Thank you so much, ninjas. That's the stockfish. Bye bye.